To redeem an Uber Eats gift card, start by opening the Uber Eats app on your mobile device. If you do not have the app, download it from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once the app is open, tap on the profile icon located at the top left corner of the screen. This will take you to the account menu. From the account menu, tap on the payment option. This will bring up a list of your current payment methods, as well as the option to add a new payment method. Tap on Add Payment Method and then select Gift Card. You will be prompted to enter the gift card code, which can be found on the back of the physical gift card or in the email if it was sent digitally. Enter the gift card code and tap Add. The gift card balance will be added to your Uber Eats account and can be used to pay for future orders. To use the gift card balance, simply select the gift card as your payment method when checking out. The gift card balance will be applied to your order total and any remaining balance will be updated in your account. It is important to note that Uber Eats gift cards can only be used for Uber Eats orders and cannot be used for Uber rides or other Uber services. Additionally, gift cards cannot be redeemed for cash or transferred to other accounts. If you have any issues redeeming your gift card, you can contact Uber Eats support for assistance. To get the most out of your Uber Eats gift card, be sure to check the balance regularly and use it before it expires. You can check the balance in the payment section of the app. It is also a good idea to use the gift card for larger orders to maximize the value. By following these steps and best practices, you can easily redeem and use your Uber Eats gift card to enjoy your favorite foods from local restaurants.